Hi, I'm Hector Bassotti. Welcome to Success Tips. At any given point in time, 8% of the population is in the market for a new vehicle. These are called intenders. Dealerships all fight for their share of the intender market. Just look around at the advertisements, TV, radio, newspaper, direct mail, internet, and social media. This means that 92% of the population are non-buyers, but they're still being bombarded with vehicle advertisements. Consumers can't avoid this advertising. However, they can turn off your social media posts. In fact, it's an option on social media platforms. The primary reason that people turn off a dealership or sales consultant's social media posts is that they're continually pushing products and alienate many of the people who initially started to follow you. Most people grow tired and irritated with the constant barrage of advertising that features vehicles for sale. Sometimes they're seeing them on multiple posts several times a day. Most people who follow your dealership or sales consultants are doing so because you asked them to. But these people have already purchased or leased a vehicle from your dealership. By continuing to solicit business with vehicle ads, many block your posts or worse, unfollow your social media platforms altogether. You can target potential customers with your vehicle specials by utilizing targeting filters, but consider that 92% are not paying attention. Consider a different approach. Start leveraging your social media strategy to brand your dealership. Branding is how you want your company to be perceived and how you want your customers to describe their experience using your products and services. It's what makes a memorable impression on consumers and allows customers to know what to expect from your company. Brand your dealership as the preferred supplier of the goods and services you provide, and position your sales consultants as the experts. Information is the valued currency of the internet, and those organizations that give more will earn more. Providing information that's helpful or enlightening is termed content marketing. If we simply go by the numbers, 8% of your posts should advertise vehicles to the intenders, while 92% should strive to create confidence and make the dealership or sales consultant a potential buyer's first and logical choice when considering a new vehicle. Most dealership websites have very limited information or educational content. Many of the pre-owned pages are merely inventory search tools. Think about what consumers search for on the internet when they're in the market for a vehicle. Google and YouTube searches would include top fuel efficient, small, medium, large size SUVs? What's the battery range of electric vehicles? Should I buy gas or diesel? Low maintenance cost SUVs, pickup trucks, or cars? Which manufacturers include maintenance with a purchase? Should I finance or lease my next vehicle? Should I get an extended warranty? Do vehicles today need rust proofing? Cars, trucks, SUVs that hold their resale value? And reviews like 2021 F-150 review, etc. Consider the strategy of posting 9 informative, enlightening, or entertaining posts and just 1 advertising post moving forward. If you write about any of these topics, or even better, create videos answering these questions, you have a much greater chance of becoming noticed and you're building a brand. If you don't have the resources to produce your own content, there's an endless stream of videos available online that you can post. Also include calls to action within each piece of content that you produce that'll drive potential customers to your website, such as learn more about our 24-hour test drives. Schedule a sanitized test drive at your home or work. Learn more. We bring new and pre-owned vehicles to your home or work. Learn more. Learn more about our safe and relaxed showroom experience. Get a finance pre-approval before you buy. Learn more. Get a trade-in value for your vehicle. Learn more. If a potential customer visits your website, you'll have now created an opportunity to retarget them with online tools as they travel through their buying cycle. In fact, many dealerships are now creating their own branded video reviews of each of their new and pre-owned vehicles. How things work product knowledge tutorials also are great strategies for branding and directing more customers to your website. Here are some samples. How does lane departure work? How does adaptive cruise control work? How does lane keep assist work? How does the hill stop feature work? How can technology get you more for your trade-in down the road? All these videos and articles can now be shown on any of your social media platforms. Social media platforms are the new networks for your marketing and advertising, just as ABC, NBC, and CBS were for television for decades. Syndicating your content on dozens of online platforms and blogs will allow you to reach an infinite source of new customers. Everyone in your dealership, and especially sales consultants, should be producing content right now. If you're looking to increase the number of Facebook connections and other insights, watch the following videos on how to sell cars using social media, how to increase the number of friends to follow you on Facebook, and how to maximize your results on Facebook. The links are below. Also plan on attending Wye Management's one-day workshop on how to build a business within a business using social media. This workshop's available live, in dealership, or online. For a program overview, a link's provided down below. Wye Management offers both live and online training workshops and in-dealership training. To view additional video success tips and learn more about our various programs, visit wyemanagement.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Hector Bassotti.